Hi friends, let me show you this rooftop cargo bag that I received. It's a 21 cubic feet, so it has a lot of space for your luggage, sport goods or whatever you want to bring with you, but you can't carry inside your car. This will give you extra space for any trip, for any activity, okay? It comes with this really practical bag, so you can store it when you don't need it. This is a special film that you can put on top of your car, on the bottom part of the rooftop cargo bag, so your car surface will be protected, okay? So the rooftop bag won't, well, scratch or whatever your car's top, okay? So as you can see, it's large enough for the rooftop bag, okay? It has, of course, basic instructions. It comes with a lock, so you get instructions on how to reset the lock. Here's the actual lock that you get. Okay, it's good because, well, if you stop somewhere to have lunch or breakfast or whatever in your trip, you'll be, well, knowing that the bag is closed and nobody can open it, okay? These are some of the accessories that you need to install it in your car. You see these kind of hooks. Put this back here. And let me show you the actual rooftop bag, okay? So as you can see, it's large enough. This is the actual bag, you see, okay? Of course, it extends. Let me show you. It has these zippers to open it and close it, and then with these velcro strips it will close, so if you hit any bad weather like rain or snow or haze or whatever, everything will fall down and your property, your belongings will be safe and dry, okay? As you can see, these are the actual well, strips with which you will get it to your car top. If your car has roof racks, you will hook these to the roof rack itself. If your car doesn't have roof racks, okay, you put these hooks in the door frame and you will hook the bag from this open loop, okay? So you can use it in any kind of car with or without roof racks, okay? That's great. Of course, you have to install it really safely. You don't want the bag to be flying away when you are driving back. So you have to follow the instructions, but you have all the accessories to safely and securely install it in your truck. Let's try it.
Okay, so we are here now at the truck. We will put these hooks. We'll put 3 on each side. One will be at the back, and the other one in the middle, and another one just about like this, so we can hang the travel bag. So first thing we need to do, we take this off like this. We put it in. I'll put another one as I'm here. So put it back there. And we just get this well like this and close the door, and it's still like this. Okay, so we have now the hooks ready. Right now I'm gonna put the other ones that will go on the other side, to then put this mat on the roof of my car so it won't get scratched. Okay, so as you can see, there are the 6 hooks right now ready. So it's time to put the mat on. Okay, so as you can see, I've already extended the bag, and I've got this one up the hook, and I'll just get it right here like now and adjust it so it gets secure. You also want to make sure to put the left one or right one, depending on which side you started, so you can get the bag centered while you secure them. Right now we can see that it's a bit more to the left, so we can adjust it so it's be centered right now. And now I'll just secure them tightly. Okay, so I've secured it already. As you can see, it's quite firm. It doesn't wobbles a bit, and it's very nice. I like it. The velcro, you secure it so you can get your zipper safe from water and stuff like that, because if it rains or something, it gets in this channel right here, that is all the way, but not in the zipper that is here, that it's safe. Just get it in there, and as you can see, it stays like that. So I will highly recommend it. It's quite nice. I like the colors. It's very safe, very sturdy. It won't move a lot, as you can see. It won't damage the roof, so that's more than perfect. I highly recommend it, guys.